What's up, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, and welcome back to the Tradman YouTube channel once again. Today we're having a look at the Window Cleaning Alliance website page. What's the benefits to being a WCA member? Whether you're a brand new window cleaning company or you've been around a little while, what is entailed in being a member and how is it going to benefit you? That's today's video. Stay tuned. Okay then folks, let's delve into the website, shall we? Right then folks, so here we are with the Window Cleaners Alliance website. So we're just going to have a quick look through the members area and also how much it costs to join. So if we click on join today, you'll see how much it is. And it's a one-time fee, so it's not a monthly thing. So it's a one-time fee of £30. What do you get for your £30 once a year? Well, let's come over to the members area and have a quick look, shall we? Now, if we look at flyers and marketing materials first, we'll have a look down here and you'll see there's loads and loads of documents on how to grow your business, how to think like your customer. There's obviously flyers and that you can download. I see here ready to change flyers, samples of business cards as well, marketing help, logos, anything you need. It's all in this section. So if you're quite a new company, you've just started up, this will be the place to come first, where you can get all the knowledge you could possibly ever need is on that section there. So really, really handy under the marketing and flyers section. Let's delve into the next bit, shall we? So if we come back up to the members area, the next thing I wanted to show you is these two sections here, which for me are the most important reason really to be a WCA member, and that is these business documents and health and safety documents. Now, why, you may ask? Well, what a lot of window cleaners tend to do is they go online, use the good old Google to try and find business documents that they can then download and amend them themselves. Whereas here you've got documents that are specifically designed for window cleaners to use, and all you have to do is obviously input your business name and contact details, and they are designed around that trade of being a window cleaner. So a really invaluable tool there, the business documents and health and safety documents. But let's have a quick delve into it, shall we? So let's have a look at the health and safety forms and documents, everyone's favorite, right? But especially just now with the whole COVID-19 thing going on, it's an extremely handy section to have a look at, because here we've got COVID risk assessment Word documents. So a really, really valuable thing to have, especially if you've got commercial clients that perhaps require this kind of thing. You've got one ready to go here, and you can just download it as a Word file, as it says there, and then amend it to your needs. So extremely handy considering what's going on just now in the world. Now, if we scroll down here, we'll also see that there's an introduction to health and safety at work. So handy to know as well, especially if you've got employees. End back pain forever. Oh, that would be nice. More stuff on the coronavirus. Obviously, it's quite topical at the moment. Working from height. Contract cleaning. National health standards for the NHS. There's loads of stuff. Care home and hospital cleaning manuals. So if you're into that kind of thing, there's loads of stuff. Ugh. Let's not look at that picture. High-vis garments, first aid, manual training editions, all this kind of stuff. There's loads and loads in there if you need. Now, coming back to the members area, there's also video tutorials you can see there. Now, at the moment, there's only about maybe 20 to 30 videos on there. Now, I had a chat with Mark about this, and he made a very good point that in this day and age, a lot of people turn to the likes of YouTube and Facebook to watch videos. So there is a few videos on there, water-fed pole, traditional window cleaning, soft washing, things like that. There's things like that on the video tutorial section, but really, to be honest, most of the things you're going to find out, just type it into YouTube and it'll be on there. But as time goes on, maybe more videos will get added to that section. But let's have a look at the next bit, which is quite interesting, which is member training. So let's scroll down here to member training and click on that. Now, whether you want some training for yourself or perhaps you've got some people working for you, this is a nice handy bit of information so you know where all the courses are located and how much they are and such like. So you've got ladder training there, window cleaning courses, I think there's also working with safety lifts, cherry pickers as we call them. What else? Working with a water-fed pole. What else is there? Loads of stuff. Cleaning support, service skills. Yeah, there's quite a bit of stuff in there. First aid courses near you from £25. So it might be worth having. It's just extra things you can display as well to your customers that you have done. Extra certificates can't go wrong, especially with those large commercial clients. They like to see that kind of thing. So worth having a look in there. Now, the next bit that might be of real interest, especially to new window cleaning companies, is the downloadable photos and media. So if you've just started up a Facebook page or a website and you need some stock pictures to use of before and afters with, say, conservatory roof cleaning or maybe window cleaning, there's also gutters as well here. You can have pictures of nasty gutters and really clean gutters. So if you need some pictures for your Facebook page or whatever, then these are nice and easy just to click on and download, and you know you're not going to have any problems using them. Also, we've got technical documents and manuals, so maybe worth a wee read in there. Frequently asked questions, tools and equipment. And the other thing that's really cool about the WCA is that there's quite a few suppliers that have got on board now and are offering discounts. So we've got folks like DA Components, the spring controllers for water-fed poles. There's also discounts for people that like using wagtails. There's a few other bits and pieces on there in the discount section. So worth having even just for that. If you maybe need some bits and pieces for your traditional tools or water-fed pole stuff, it's always worth coming back and having a look what offers are on there, what discounts are on there for members. So hopefully that video has been of use to you today, folks. The WCA membership, a quick run through there of what's entailed. If you've maybe been a member for a while and you want to suggest anything, pop it in the comments box below. It'd be super appreciated. I'm sure Mark will have a look at the comments as well when this video goes out and see if there's anything he can maybe implement. But thank you very much for tuning in. Really, honestly, much appreciated for watching these videos, folks. I always say it and I really do mean it. I thank you very much for watching these, and you take care, be good, and bye for now.